This time what we're going to do is composition of three functions. So eventually in calculus what we have to do is take the derivative of a bunch of functions which are complicated, and one of the things we do is compose functions several times, and then you have to unwind with the dreaded chain rule or composition rule, but of taking derivatives of composition of functions. So what I'm going to do is do the composition of three functions. Maybe we'll do it in a couple different orders too. Let's see. So let's do f following g following h of x. I don't know how to say that one. Fagohaha. That one is f of g of h of x. Fago. Now this is the definition of following, so I just did it three times. F following g following h means we do h first, then that's g following h, then we do f following g following h, so we do f last. So now in that definition what I do is, now I know what h is, so I'm going to put that in there. That is f of g of h. H does what? It adds 1 to x and then takes a square root. Now what I do with that is, now this is inside the argument. I put this wherever x is in the expression for g of x, because it says g of x puts x here and here, so g of this hot mess is going to go here and here. So this is now f of g, which gives me square root of 1 plus x over 1 minus the square root of 1 plus x. And now this junk is going to go in wherever there's an x in the expression for f of x. So can we squeeze it in there? No. Let's magically move it to the top. Now that we have this last step, what does f do to that? F was the polynomial x squared plus 7x plus 3, I hope. Otherwise, editor, it's like, did I do that wrong? I don't know, I'm not stopping now. Now I put in this junk wherever there's an x in this expression. That becomes the square root of 1 plus x over 1 minus the square root of 1 plus x squared plus 7 times that junk again. That's a 1. 1 plus x over 1 minus the square root of 1 plus x plus 3. This is the composition of all three functions. Let's do it again. Oh, now what's it going to say? That's hofog. I want to do hog off. Hog off. Let's do the hog off. We're going to do it. We're about to do patent pending, patent pending. We could do that one too. Patent pending, patent pending, patent pending. Kitty, patent pending. Hog off. So what is h following g following f? This is h of g of f of x. Hog off. What do we get? I get h of g of, leave the first two alone, we're doing f first, then it's following, g is following f, then h is following this. So f does x squared plus 7x plus 3. Now I can get rid of that one. Then that's equal to h of, what does g do? G puts x and then divides by 1 minus x. So I get x squared plus 7x plus 3 over 1 minus x squared plus 7x plus 3, which we could simplify, but let's leave it. Which is equal to now what? H takes this, adds 1 and takes the square root, so this is now equal to the square root of 1 plus this thing, x squared plus 7x plus 3 over, I guess we're going to do it negative x squared minus 7x minus 2. This is hog off.